Let me see. It feels like. What could it be? What could it be?
I don't know. Whoa.
It says something fun, I think. I don't think that's
And look at
I
dinosaur
don't-
train.
Read that paper, Daddy.
dinosaur train.
Look at I found dinosaur train. This one.
Daddy, we're going to take you to see Dinosaur Train.
That's awesome.
Look, I found it.
That's so cool. Wait, so what is Dinosaur Train?
It's at the Bergen Pack Center. It's like a theater. It's like Dinosaur Train on like
No,
Broadway.
Mommy,
Oh my
get
God,
it
it's
away.
awesome. I'm like, I think this is just a filler. But this is it? This is the tickets?
Well, I didn't get them yet,
I
but
want the big one, okay? That's a big one.
Oh, Mommy, that's a great gift.
Sunday, October 27th at 5 p.m. Dinosaur Train at the Bergen Pack Center.
Awesome. I can't wait. It's what I always wanted.
Good answer, Daddy. How's 35 feel?
Feels good. Mwah.